Hello, my dear friend. I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it, press the bell icon, hit the like button also. Friends, as I have already covered one video regarding how you can think in English, how you can speak in English. Now I am going to represent the second video regarding English speaking. It is not matter of worry that you are not able to speak right now, but the best and most important thing is you want to learn English. That would be the spirit, then only you would learn English. And knowing the grammar and knowing the all things is not necessary to speak in English. Even each and every person who is watching this video may be belonging to the rural area or the Hindi speaking family. Even the same case was along with me. Whenever I was struggling to speak in English, I watched several videos regarding how we can speak in English. But the most effective strategy I have implemented on myself, now I am going to reveal or I will debunk all the myths regarding English speaking. And friends, is it not necessary that you should not take a pause in between? Whenever we are speaking in Hindi, definitely we are taking a lot of pause and we tend to mispronounce several words during Hindi speaking also. Same practice should be adopted during English speaking. Yes, it is very healthy to take a pause or to interrupt in between and to think in your mind. Yes, slowly you would reduce the gap in between the words. The same strategy I have implemented on myself. Yes, several times people will tend to laugh on you. Do not worry about them. You have to worry about yourself only. Then only you able to speak fluently. And generally it happens with the Indians only. If we would have been native speaker, definitely you would have not watched this video. The same problem was along with me. And with such type of strategy, I overcome my inferiority and complexity. And let me explain very important thing. Whatever words I have used during this video, that is totally accumulation or assimilation of my thoughts. And how I can create this type of thoughts, because I have learned so many words from the dictionary, but once that was time, I keep on writing all the words in my book, but I could not remember even a single word out of that. But I have created a trick by which means I am learning the vocabulary words. It generally happens whenever we are not finding compatible partner to speak in English, we tend to forget all the words because generally we are not using that word during normal conversation in Hindi. I have created a aura or a system or trick by which means looking at the things around you, you can remember, you can learn the words. Try to watch my video during vocabulary section. I have already posted near about the 200 and above videos. If you have not watched, please visit all of that. Definitely slowly on the daily basis you have to use words with the friends and your partners, and there are so many WhatsApp groups also for the English speaking. You try to speak in front of them. This is the strategy you have to implement on yourself. Definitely I am guaranteeing you, you will overcome all the inferiority during in your way. And friends, it is the foolproof method which I have implemented on myself, and further I will make video regarding English speaking. That is all for today. I will come tomorrow or come in the next video with the new innovative idea. Bye.